On last week's episode, me and my friend Esteban hitched a ride on SV Solstice with Captain Jeff and made our way to Kauai to pick up Esteban's new 1959 Triton and deliver it back to Oahu. Now we're off to Nawiliwili Harbor. Let's go to Esteban's boat, get her ready, and it looks like we're gonna push off tonight and head back. Turn and burn. Yes, ma'am.
You guys headed back to Oahu soon?
Tonight. Lots of potential.
Yeah.
Lots of potential. Got a little gimbaled guy here. Let's go.
Kerosene.
That's funny. Okay, so we got the boat all ready to go. Esteban's filling up the water tank, the jugs right now, so we can have extra water. And we got diesel in, we got everything sorted. So, got some lee cloths up here. So we have stowage area, and then a sleeping berth for whoever's off watch. And yeah, time to push off and head for Honolulu from Kauai. What's the name of this harbor?
Nawiliwili.
So, time to push off for Honolulu from Nawiliwili on Kauai. And yeah, just push through the night and get it done. Taking your boat home.
Let's do this thing. I am so freaking stoked.
Hell yeah.
Hopefully we get some good wind.
Goodbye, Nawiliwili. We're gonna come out of this channel in the dark. Thankfully, Esteban's been out of here before. It is the best. There's nothing better. Okay, so we've left Nawiliwili Harbor and Nawiliwili. N-A. Not no. Nawiliwili. We just left Nawiliwili Harbor and we got the mainsail up and we got the tiller pilot working, which we weren't sure if it worked or not, so it's holding course right now. And yeah, I think we're on a course of 121 bound for Honolulu. Actually, we're bound for about Barber's Point and then we come about for Honolulu. So yeah, pretty exciting. Pretty rough night. Really like lumpy sea conditions. We were beating into everything. The winds weren't too high, but it was kind of everything. We were just kind of beating into it. I fed the fish a couple times last night. Got seasick. I still feel like crap right now, but now we're just kind of wallowing about. We've been motor sailing the whole time, but the winds are totally gone. We can see Oahu, kind of point. And I think we're about 20 miles from Barber's Point right now, which is that's where we round and head towards Honolulu. But yeah, not much wind, less than a knot at the moment. And yeah, that's how it's going. engine overheated and died, but she started back up pretty easy. We have like no wind. We're 13 miles off the coast of Oahu, so we're pointing in for Waianae Harbor. At least then we'll be able to tuck in someplace and get things sorted. Hoping for a little bit of afternoon wind to fill in.
How far? 2.5 miles.
Oh yeah.
From the port.
Good morning from Waianae Harbor. Had a good night's sleep here after ducking in, after our engine overheated 15 miles offshore. And yeah, just getting the day started. Esteban is off to get some more diesel, and we're gonna make the push for Honolulu today. My guess is it'll be, I don't know, could be anywhere from 15 to 18 hour passage. We'll see, because we're going to be beating in, once we round Barber's Point, we're going to be beating into the current and the winds, and this little engine doesn't do too much, but she'll get us there. And yeah, another day on this delivery. Hello? Okay, I'll be there right there. Esteban's back with all the fuel, and we're getting ready to leave this beautiful harbor. Ready to do this?
Fuck yeah.
Take her home.
Beautiful, but
Take her home.
I want to get the fuck out of here.
Right? Let's do it. All right, time to get the show on the road. Barber's Point.
We're being like 5 miles off Barber's Point.
Cool. And then I think it's roughly like 15 nautical miles from there to Honolulu.
Yeah,
roughly. Beautiful though. Look at this fucking landscape. to round Barber's Point. We got to push out past the tanker that's moored out there. We have 2 reefs tied in the main right now, and we'll see what the winds are doing around the point and go from there. It had good wind all morning so far. It really helped our speed. We got down the west side pretty quick, so that's awesome for our trip. Beating into it, we finally were able to tack past the oil tanker. Puts us out in the kind of open ocean. We're seeing, like, I don't know, 1 to 2 meter seas. Probably, I don't know, 14 knots on the nose. But at least we're still getting like the wind advantage for sailing, which is nice. Chipping away, we can see Honolulu, so that's a plus. No, it was maybe a pilot whale. He was right here. He was like a boat length away from us.
No way.
Oh, there's his glow. Oh, there's his back.
Hey.
Cruising with us.
I wonder how fast he's going.
How many more tacks?
One more fucking tack!
Oh yeah, baby. There it is. Here's the wind coming back.
If you enjoy the content on this channel and would like to contribute, you can consider joining the Patreon crew. Thanks for watching. Fair winds until next time.